Whether it's a busy schedule, the unforgiving humidity, or just a bad hair day that causes you to neglect your tresses, we've rounded up 6 quick and easy tips that are going to become your absolute go-tos. Follow along to make sure you always put your best hair forward. Go chemical-free with your hair shampoos and conditioners by switching them out for natural ingredients such as cocoa and coconuts. Take 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder in a bowl and douse it in coconut milk to create a silky smooth paste. Apply it onto your scalp and through the lengths of your hair. Leave it on for about 20 minutes before washing it off, and you're going to be left with shiny, soft and well-nourished waves. Before you step out of the house in the unforgiving humidity, make sure you prep your hair to battle the frizz. Take a dollop of your favorite serum onto the palm of your hand and spread it between your fingers before running your hands through the lengths of your hair. This is going to prevent tangles and breakage and keep your hair soft and smooth all day. A girl on the go's best friend, especially on a greasy hair day, can be an oil blotting sheet. Just like it helps mattify your face through the day, it can also help you keep your oily scalp at bay. Part your hair into sections and dab the blotting sheet onto your scalp and roots so it can soak up all the oiliness and dirt, and you're good to go. We've all dealt with our brushes getting clogged full of hair every time we get done with a thorough brushing, and this tends to deposit the dirt from the hairbrush back onto the scalp. To avoid this, use a tail comb or even a pencil to pick out all the dead hair from the brush, and then use a dash of shampoo on an old toothbrush to properly clean the bristles and the bed. Then, rinse it off in lukewarm water to get rid of the cleanser. Leave your brush facing downwards for an hour to pull out any excess moisture and have it looking as good as new. Dry shampoo can be an absolute savior in these hot summer months, but using it the wrong way can leave your hair looking grey and coarse. Spray a small amount of it onto your fingertips and pat the product into your roots to freshen them up. You can even spray some onto your brush and run it through your hair, focusing the product on the crown and keep your tresses mattified. Instead of using heat tools to tame your mane on a bad hair day, just opt for cute and easy hairstyles like this one. Tie your hair into a low ponytail to one side, divide the section above the hair tie and flip your pony inwards. Leaving a 3-finger space, once again, tie the hair with an elastic, section it, and flip the ponytail inwards. Repeat this process through the length of your hair for a chic and low-maintenance hairdo. With these life-saving hair tips, your hair will remain soft, smooth and frizz-free all year round. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.